Welcome to Graduating 101, Completing the DDA. In this video, we will walk you through how to fill out and file your degree and diploma application. To access your DDA, visit degree.ucsd.edu and select Apply for Degree. Review the information on the next page and then select I have read the above information and want to begin the application. The first thing you will be asked to do is to verify your permanent mailing address. This is the address your diploma will be mailed to. If it is correct, simply check the box. If not, you will need to go to My Triton link and use the Maintain Address tool to change your permanent address. Allow at least 24 hours for this change to be reflected in your DDA, and do not continue filing your DDA if your mailing address is not correct. If your permanent address is correct, you will then select your graduation quarter from the drop-down menu. Next, you will see a list of your completed courses. You will need to enter courses you plan to complete in your final quarter or courses you have taken at another institution that you do not see on the list. Finally, verify that your major and minor are correctly listed and click Submit. A window will pop up to confirm that you are ready to submit your DDA. Double-check all the information you have entered, then select Submit DDA. Congratulations! You have successfully submitted your DDA. A confirmation page will be displayed to ensure that your DDA is now active, and you will also receive a confirmation email including further information about how your DDA will be processed. An advisor will send a preliminary degree check through the Virtual Advising Center within 4 to 6 weeks following submission. For more information about graduation, check out our other videos.